this is the elevator. It's a Hyatt Regency in Findlay Township, Pennsylvania. It's a ThyssenDover. Let's go up to 1. Going up. Oh, they're taking the stairs. Taking the stairs. Back down to LL. Sorry for the conversation, but that's just what happens here. Anyways, very nice cabs. Early 2000s Impulse fixtures. Hands-free 88 code compliant phone. It's a Dover Helplink. Capacity 3,500 pounds. Going up?
Yes.
1.
Yes, please.
Door close button works. Let's listen to the motor. Installed in 2001. The flickering, that's my camera, not the... That's my camera flickering. It's not the elevator caps, it's the camera. Re-leveled. There goes the end. That's it.